Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you all my happy meal from this sweet lady. And I don't know how to pronounce her name, and she is from France. And actually I didn't expect this. What I did is she posted one of her recent piece that she made with the tea set mold, and I sent her a message and asked her where she bought the mold, and I want to buy it, and she says she will help me to buy. And when I want to pay when she got the mold and I want to pay for the item that I asked her to buy, and she says no need to pay her and she will send me as a gift. And what I expect is she just send me the mold with the small package, but yesterday I received this big box that I don't know what she made for me, and oh my goodness, look at this. Let me to check my camera, because the my tripod, the stand cannot adjust, so I have to go up and check. Okay, hope I still out of frame. Thank you so much, my dear friend, and let me see what she sent to me. And yeah, this is unexpected and I'm so surprised and really happy. At this moment I really need something to cheer me up. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is the mold. Oh, it's quite big. Oh wow. Oh, this, I believe this mold is the chocolate, pastry. Yeah, but look at this. This is so big. What I thought is a small. Oh, cool. Look at this. Can you see it? Let me check my camera. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, I expect this one. This is the stack cup, and this one. Thank you so much. So I can use the plaster to make the this, and with my tea party kit in future. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you so much. I love this one. So big. Yeah, it's so big piece. Big piece is easy to work with. Thank you so much, my dear. Love. Wow. And she sent me all this yummy. Oh my goodness. You are so kind, my dear friend. She crocheted this one. Let me put this aside so this one can focus. Okay. Wow, she crocheted this one, and what she put inside is so heavy. Perfume? Oh, yeah, it's a perfume. Cool. Room spray. Let me smell. It smells good. Perfume. Thank you so much. This is made in France. Yay! Yeah, finally I get something made in France. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Oh my dear friend. Oh my goodness. You use this crochet dolly to wrap it so pretty. And wow, the tag is so pretty. Oh, I didn't have a frame. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And look at this. And also one of the image that I couldn't find it from Pinterest, and she sent to me, and used that one for my Tilda kit. Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is which font you use? I love this font. Yeah, I have to ask you again. Thank you so much. Look at this. I believe this one is your crochet, right? You crochet by your own. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much. I couldn't say thank you enough to you. And she sent me this wrapped so well. Oh, I love this. Okay, I will keep all this and use it in my future project. And what she sent to me. She is my, if I'm not wrong, she is my first last time she also is one of my permanent member. Yeah, first France, a member from France. Yeah, Lavi, is it called Lavi? Thank you so much. I can alter this, but thank you so much. Pink, you know I love pink. And some more this. Wow, this thing is perfect for my daughter. And the beads, maybe I can use all this bead for my project. I don't want to open it because you can see it's so pretty. Look at this one. The color so me. I love this kind of the color. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And these big box and also have another tag here. Love. So pretty. Thank you so much. This one I got another one. I got 2 tags. Pretty. Thank you so much. And the box, the crochet box, not sure is it she crochet this one, not crochet this one. It's a, I don't know how to call this root. I don't know how. Maybe yeah, you make this one. Look at this one. So pretty. This image, yeah, I asked her this where she got these images, and she sent me the image so I can use this for my project. So pretty. Thank you so much. And she print on this paper is so pretty. And the frame, it is, wow, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, my dear. You should send me so many things here. And wow, look at this. Handmade soap. Smell good. Oh wow. Also smell good. Look at this. So cute. But this is your handmade soap or what? Everything is so good. Pink sand. Wow. Look at this. Candle or soap? Yes, right. Candle, sorry. I'm so stupid. Candle. It's a candle. Oh, luckily I see these words here. If not, I go and use it as a soap. Okay, thank you so much. And here, look at these. I don't know how to make or what. So pretty, and around the laces here, and this image of them, and I will keep all the thing inside here. All items from you. Yeah, this is one of my collection now from you. Pretty. Okay, let me put this aside and open this box. Okay, order this tag here. Cute. Okay, let me get it open. So yeah, so very kind. Yeah. This. Oh, it's a mug. Oh, with the this set together. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, my dear. Oh, this is my personal. Yeah, I will use this. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, it's quite perfect. Thank you so much, my dear. I thank you. Can't say enough. Yeah, thank you to you. You are so very kind, and thank you so much for taking your time to wrap everything so nicely and send to me. And this is, oh, I love this. And thank you so much. Once again, I couldn't say thank you enough to you, because you're taking your time to wrap everything so pretty and send to me. And yeah, actually, yeah, you shouldn't do, but I so grateful. Yeah, you do that. Yeah, to me, look at this, so pretty. What you say? Oh, I didn't outprint it. Everything is so pretty, and I will appreciate and keep everything. Look at this. Look. Yeah, you can see it. This is where you have the camera frame. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for everything. What I expect is this one, and you send me so much, so many here. This size is so big. Yeah, I love. Thank you so much. Oh, it's always tea time. Thank you so much. Okay, I will start to play with this one. Thanks again. And yeah, hope you all liked what she sent to me, and give her the big thumbs up. And yeah, for all your thoughtful gift, thank you so much, my friend from France. And bye bye.